Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Ashikur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Today you would learn how to find out LCM, least common multiple by C program. Before starting our class, let's learn about GCD. We need GCD value to find the LCM. Let's take two values. Suppose I took 30 and 15. So I can write 2 into 3 into 5. How we got this? You already know. We can divide 30 by 2, we found 15, then again divide by 3, we found 5. That's the way I wrote this value in 30. And again we can find same way 3 divided by 15. Here we found 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So here you can see we found 30 and 15 values. From these values we can find out GCD value. How? GCD is equal to greatest common divisor. So here from 30 and 15 we have to take common values from them. Here you can see common value here 3, here 3 and also 5. So you can write here 3 into 5. So our GCD value is 15. Let's see about LCM. Here you have to use common value and also uncommon value. Both are counted. So here you have to use 2, 3 and also 5. So we got 15, 30. So our LCM value is 30 and GCD value is 15. So we have another way to find LCM. Let's see. LCM, this is another formula. LCM is equal to first value. I denoted our two values. One is A and another one is B. So I can write A into B divided by GCD. So this is my formula to find LCM. So let's see how it works. Suppose I take here value L, here S and another one remainder is R. So our first value is 30, second value is 15. So we have to divide 30 by 15. Here we got remainder 0. You can see here 15 divided by 30, we got remainder 0. Here 0 is our remainder. So now S will come into L position. Here 15 come into L position. Now 15 is L and 0 will come into S. So here S, we can see S portion is result is 0 and here L portion we found 15. So here if we want to divide it, we cannot divide this because here we found 0. So this process will stop here. Why? Because we have to divide it if S not equals to 0. That means we have to divide until our S value is 0. So we can write we can use here while condition. While our condition is s not equals to 0, then we can see here we can write r equals to L modulus s, and then L is equal to s and s is equal to r. You already know about this method because you have already learned how to find out GCD. So I repeated this topic here because we have to find LCM. I already told about it that we have to find LCM and we need GCD value. That's why I am repeating this process again. So here you can see our GCD value is 15. If we want to ask you what is the GCD value of 30 and 15, you can see here GCD value is 15. When our S portion become 0, then our GCD value, we found our GCD value. When we found GCD value, this time we can easily find out the LCM. How? Let's see how we found LCM. Our LCM formula is LCM is equal to A into B divided by GCD. So here our A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 15. So our LCM is 30 into 15, and our GCD value, here is our GCD value is 15. You can see our GCD value is 15. So write 15, and you can see we have 30. So my dear students, you can see flow chart to find out LCM. You can see here we start the value. We took input A and B. Here you can see L is equal to A and S is equal to B. So here temporarily I set values, and then here is our condition. If S not equals to 0, that time we have two option. Here is if our condition is true, then yes, and then if not, then no. So you already know about this. R is equal to L modulus S, L is equal to S, and S is equal to R. I have already explained it to you. And then we got GCD is equal to L, and our formula is LCM is equal to A into B into bracket, and then GCD divided by GCD, and then finally we have to print LCM. So this is our print and then end. So let's see how to write C program. First of all, you have to start with hashtag include and then you have to write int. I took integer value. Here I used A and B. Our input value is A and B. Then write input function scanf %d. We have two input, that's a format specifier here 2, number of format specifiers are 2, and then we have to put and save the value, that's why store A and B, and then our temporal value L is equal to A and is equal to B. So here we already used L and S, so we have to declare it. So write L and S, and then we use here while condition. So we know about while condition. Here we have to write while condition, and then we have to write the condition. Here is our condition, S not is equal to 0, then what will happen? This is our processing box. So write this inside sub bracket. So write R is equal to L mod S, then semicolon, L equal to S, and then S equal to R. So our another new variable is here R. So write R, and then you have to write GCD is equal to L. We found here. So write GCD, also new variable, and then we have to find LCM. So write LCM and then semicolon. So this is our formula, and then write our print. Here print, we have to write the output function. Write print f, this is our output function, and then we have to show the result LCM. So write LCM, and then finally second bracket. So this is our C program to find out LCM. Thank you, my dear students. Hope you have learned from my today's class. If you have any problem, then ask me or ask your subject teacher. We are always here to help you. Keep practicing, don't stop to learn. Allah Hafiz.